Oh, that must be it. I thought that was a phone. That was crazy. And he gonna run into the grass. I thought it was gonna fall on me. Oh my God, that was crazy. What's good, y'all? Happy New Year. We outside about to pop some fireworks. We got J Extra in the cut. You want to say something, J Extra?
I'm streaming right now. I got new red hair now.
Show them your red hair. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Again, thank y'all for watching. It's been going on like 2 years that we've been doing these videos, so make sure y'all keep watching, stay tuned, keep sharing. And we got another video coming for y'all. We have the Air Force 3s, the NIGO Air Force 3s. So make sure y'all stay tuned in and watch that review. What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see, we have the Midnight Navy NIGO Air Force 3s. I'm super excited for this. Just by the box, this shoe is so hard. It's cold. I like it. I haven't actually seen the shoe yet, but I could tell by the box this shoe is about to go crazy. So this is the box. It says Nike Air Force 3. Has some different imagery all around. Size tag reads Midnight Navy and Off-White. NIGO is the owner of Billionaire Boys Club, those clothing brands. I believe he's a part of the group Teriyaki Boys, the song, like one of those good songs that was on Fast and the Furious, Tokyo Drift. But before we get started, I do have the Wolf Grey video out. I have the Bugs Bunny A video. I have the Chase B Travis Scott collab. I have those videos out. Those are my latest videos. So make sure y'all go watch those videos if you haven't. Also, I have these slides, Nike Mind slides. This is the box. Show y'all real quick. Trying to show y'all different things. It's the bottom, it's the inside. These kind of fire. Something different. All right. When you open up the box, it comes with this paper, so make sure that your shoe is coming with all these details. NIGO on it. Also have this. These are like Letterman patches. It comes double wrapped. Oh, I did not expect it to look like this. Okay. This is the shoe, as you can see, Midnight Navy, the material. All right, so this is material. It's like this soft material. It kind of feels like a blanket type material. Then we have that gray here near the eyelets. Also on the swoosh, we have a lighter gray. Then on the back, we have Nike Air. We have some detailing on the tongue. I do like the inside of the shoe. It comes with this, like very comfy, nice quilted material on the inside. Also comes with this little Nike pin. I like that. They're saying they come out January 1st, but I'm not entirely sure that that's accurate. I doubt that it's going to come out on the 1st. The retail on this is about $150, $155. All right, real quick, these are the insoles. It says Pendleton right here. It's like a patch. And then Nike right here. I would say I feel like these would be pretty comfortable, considering that it has like this quilted material here, and then the insoles are pretty cool. So these are the insoles. Not a bad shoe. Definitely something different. Honestly, I don't know how I really feel about them. I think they're nice, but I kind of would have liked this, like maybe like these detailing, maybe like on an Air Max. I think that would look really nice.
Yeah, it's extra. Hey, you know I'm in that foreign muscle, you hear me? Shout out to my bitch, she out the west side. Standing in a chest, bitch, I'm a reptile. Don't be grade A, this ain't no stepchild. Nah, for real though. Thinking about when I was in Tallahassee, and my jeans, they was Calabasas. They gon' scream, but it's built the asses. I'm counting cream in these Gucci glasses. Looking mean, get you blue to ashes. Hold up, how they cap about the struggle? Every diamond came from out the puddle. I'm shifting gears, I'm in that.
But yeah, let me know what y'all think about these in the comments. These are the Midnight Navy NIGO Nike collab Air Force 3. These come out January 1st. That is subject to change. Most likely it's going to change. Yeah, I like it. One of the first shoes dropping in 2026. I think Nike is coming pretty decent. I like it. Honestly, I like the detailing on the box way more than the shoe. But the shoe is kind of, I think it's kind of cool, kind of different. Definitely different type of style. Again, this pretty much wraps up the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for watching all the videos. Make sure y'all go watch those 3 recent videos. The Wolf Gray, Chase B, Travis Scott collab, and the Bugs Bunny 8 video if you haven't already. And peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my